Happy Diwali, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed this Diwali with your friends, families, loved ones, and you are not burst any crackers this time. Oh, sorry. Sorry for hurting your sentiments. Today we are going to talk about this. I will burst firecrackers and firecracker versus firecracker ban. So I had some thoughts about it, so I thought I will share it with all of you. Our Hindus, friends, sisters, and brothers are very irritated by this constant virtue signaling of people teaching us how to celebrate our festivals. And suddenly, all the environmentalists wake up and then keep saying that firecrackers, pollution, all these things. So people are getting very irritated and then they compare that, bhai, if you are thinking so much about environment, what about New Year? What about Christmas? What about those great lavish weddings where so many crackers are burned? And the argument goes on and on. And then our celebrity Virat Kohli comes and again says, don't burst firecrackers, and then all hell breaks loose. Yes. So in all this, amidst this whole thing about emphasizing our identity by bursting firecrackers in Diwali and fighting against this constant attack, that keeps happening selectively only to one category of people, this preaching goes on, why it has come to this, that we need to emphasize our identity of Sanatan Dharma and Hinduism by disobeying a ban and bursting firecrackers in Diwali. It is because we have not strengthened our own foundation. So when Gurudev was asked what is the difference between religion and spirituality, he says religion is like the banana skin and spirituality is the banana. This is the simplest and the most profound answer. And this is now I understand the meaning of this. जो विधियाँ है, this customs, दिया जलाओ, ये करो, वो करो, this is all religion. And spirituality is the essence of the religion. What Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar is doing is uplifting the spiritual essence of the religion. And that is what is the Sanatan Dharma, immortal values of a religion. Now, I would like to address this issue in a different light, that these people who are bursting firecrackers and saying that no, I'm a Hindu, I want to assert my identity. The intention is very good, but the cause is very shallow. If you really want to emphasize your identity, now tell me how many of these Hindus know the 12 names of the months as per the Hindu calendar? How many of you, of people who do this sloganeering of Jai Shri Ram, and it is a very good thing, but are you just getting limited to holding on to the skin, or you are reaching the fruit, the banana? This needs to be introspected. How many of you know that Jai Shri Ram had a guru called Vasishtha Rishi? How many of you have read the Yoga Vasishtha? When I was a teenager, I had no idea about all these things until I met my guru, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. He introduced me to spirituality and the Sanatan Dharma. We have no idea about what is Mahalakshmi Homa, Ashtalakshmi Home, Chandi Home. Navratri was nothing but about music, Falguni Pathak singing and people doing Garba. So because we left the banana, when we started holding onto the skin, this is the root cause of the issue. Because if the foundation is not weak, anybody can come and shake you. So what I would request is that, are we holding on to the essence and uplifting that, or we are just holding on to the skin and waving it proud and saying that we are proud Hindus? Oh, I'm a proud Hindu, but you know what, I don't believe in all these gurus and babas. So the entire guru parampara tradition is just thrown out of the window by the same Hindus. So the same Hindus don't even realize that they are victims of the same propaganda of people whom they hate. Oh, I don't want anyone, I cannot learn from anyone, the entire Sanatan Dharma is based on the Guru Parampara, the tradition of the masters. What is Ram without Vasishtha? Nothing. What is Arjuna without Krishna? So, holding on to the essence, making the foundation strong, which the Art of Living Foundation and Gurudev Shri Shri is doing since the last 40 years. Meditation, pranayam, chanting, meaning of these mantras, the Vedic wisdom. This is how we celebrate festivals. Just imagine if the whole crores of Hindus all over the world celebrate Diwali by reading Yoga Vasishtha, by chanting and meditating on the chants of Mahalakshmi Home and Ashtalakshmi Home and Dhanvantri Home, and meditate and do pranayam. Do you think this stupid propaganda can succeed? We will be unshakable because our foundation will be strong. So remember this very beautiful sentence: the difference between religion and spirituality. Religion is the banana skin and spirituality is the banana. We are thrown the banana and holding on to the skin. This is the root cause of all such issues that keep coming up every now and then. So think about this.